Hi. Weather is finally cooperating. It's a beautiful day and not too windy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quickie little demo. It's not like it's hard, but I just want to show you what I'm thinking of. This is how this is going to work with your tiles of cardboard and your gaff tape to try to make a workable paintable surface that we could take inside if you would like, or if you are able to, or maybe just work outside. So okay, so for a cross to begin with, and I can already see that I've got some of my pieces anyway that have some gaps in between. That's whatever, that's going to be fine. That's actually going to allow it to hinge and bend a little bit. I am trying to keep my cardboard. I think many of you have chipboard that I ordered for you, so it won't matter as much, but I'm going to try to keep my grain, you can see those weaves going in the same direction, just so I'm not going to battle that as I paint on it. So okay, for a cross, 6 down, all tiled out. Now I go to my taping process. If I had my camera stand, which is on order from Amazon, I would have it set up and I would do like a time lapse, but yeah, I'm not that technologically advanced. Also, you don't need to see my ass like bent over this, so okay. So yeah, first time taping. I have already determined that if you have a friend that you can grab, or someone else that lives in your house anyway, it's probably going to be helpful to have another set of hands to do this with. Try not to have any tape hanging over the edges, or certainly not wrapping around to the front side of your, I will call this a canvas, sure. Okay. So I just did this panel for now, and we'll continue with the rest of it. I don't think I need to show you the rest of it. So there it is, all taped out. Didn't take me that long. Obviously this is the back side. And there's your flat. I know, okay. So you have to go inside to work. Just fold it up, take it inside, or just store it, whatever. I don't know how small you can get yours down to. I'm doubtful you could get it down to the 12 by 12, but at least it would be small enough to like stick behind a couch or something. All right.